Ngaphakathi kwalomakhiwo lapho kuhlangene khona intarha ekuhlelweni kwendaba kunye namagagu ekuzifundeni. Hlala ulinde nanzi ezijujileko.
When he started saying General Khumalo and former Minister Cele were involved, I said no, they were not involved.
Ufakazi ukomitshini kaMadlanga utshele ikomitshini bona watshela ungqongqotjhe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu ngokuhlelwa kwecinga lokubulala uSindiso Magaqa kodwa akhanga ingene nalokho wazibuzela ngabantu ababili abangathindekiko.
Phuma ke omnye uMessi abuye wamdubula engebengelongqina umbone xa ebebuya ezowugqibezela abanye apha ngaphakathi wamdubula yena selebaleka.
Isarare abaneki indaba yesekela lalokhu likaprincipal owakhukuthela abotitshara abathathu ngesigidi esikolweni wabadumuza wababulala wasuka lapho waphendulela isigidi ngakuye.
We are here for learner transport enforcement operation. Basically what we do, we stop public transport operators such as buses and minibuses, specifically ferrying learners.
Amapolisa wendlela eGauteng afike ngendlovu yangena namhlanje ekuseni eSochanguve ePitoli abopha imbhesi ezilayitsha abafundi ezingalandeli umthetho. Kethokoza ukunifumana ungilindile ngilezandaba manje zesindebele ku-SABC1 ke kuthula nibongwe hlalela iduze uzibambe sisatshisa. Ikomitshini kaMadlanga izobufakazi bokuthi ungqongqotjhe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu wazifaka kakhulu ekubulaweni kwamakhansela amabili we-ANC uPendukani Mabhida noSindiso Magaqa kangangokuthi wagcina sekathinta amapholisa ekhabe yaphethe amacala la wafuna ilwazi ngawo. Kuthiwa ngokwenza njalo wahlanganisa isikhundla sakhe sokuba ngungqongqotjhe nesokuba lilunga le-ANC. Lokhu kuvezwe bufakazi nakulalelwa ubufakazi ekomitshini kaMadlanga.
Nje ikomitshini kaMadlanga izwe bona ungqongqotjhe wamapholisa osese selifine ekhethekile kwesikhuluma nje uSenzo Mchunu wasebenzisa amandla akhe ukufuna imininingwana ephathelene nokubulawa kwamakhansela we-ANC uPendukani Mabhida kunye noSindiso Magaqa. Ekubulaweni kukaMabhida uMajor General Gopal obuye abe ngukomishinara wezingileso ufakaze ngokuthi batsho uMchunu wathindana naye bunqopha nakafuna imininingwana leyo waphula umthetho.
Protocol training, it is not appropriate, but I can't say from Minister Mchunu's protocol as a politician what training they receive and how to communicate and with whom and to what boundaries they cross and allowed to cross. But purely from my training and my 35 years of historical institutionalized protocol, it is not normal.
Nikuka Magaqa ufakazi okhabe aphenya indaba le ufakaze ngokuthi batsho wanikela uMchunu yonke imininingwana ngendaba yokuthi kunabantu abahlela ukubulala uMagaqa. Nanyana kunjalo uthi batsho uMchunu wayecisa amehlo indaba le waba nendaba nabantu ababili ufakazi lo angakhange akhuluma ngabo ekungungqongqotjhe wamapholisa waphambilini uBhekicele kunye nomnqophisi wezobelelesi nobuhloli uDumisani Khumalo.
He started saying General Khumalo and former Minister Cele were involved. I said no, they were not involved. But it was Mr. Ngabinde that came in that same conversation that he was once at the IPID and he heard that former Minister Cele and General Khumalo were involved.
Lo uveza uMchunu njengomuntu okhabe akatelela ukuthi uKhumalo uyathindeka ukulalela kwekomitshini kuyaraga.
Amapolisa wendlela eGauteng abophe imbhesi ezilikhomba namhlanje ekuseni eSochanguve etlagwini ePitoli ngemva kokuthola ukuthi zilayitsha abafundi ngaphandle kwamaphepha afaneleko ukutshayela. Omunye umtshayeli uhlawuliselwe ukulayitsha abafundi abadlula isibalo esibekiweko. Amapolisa wendlela athi imphathimandla zokuqinisa amajima okuhlola inthuthi zabafundi kuqalelelwe kukhulu ukuhlola kwazo nokuqinisekisa ukuthi kulandelwa imithetho yendlela. Amajima la kulindeleke ukuthi arage umnyaka wonke khulukhulu nje ngombana sekwenzeke ihlekelele eVaal ethethe umphefumulo wabafundi abali-14.
Omunye umbelethi wonakalelwe lilanga nakaza kuhlawuliswa nanyana alingile ukuhlathulula ukuthi kuba yini alayitsha abafundi ababunane ekoleni encane evumeleke ukulayitsha abantu abahlanu kwaphela.
Ba mfounela ba ntsusha around na transport ba ha ke fitla ko pateng ke kra ro yemile bana ba hae ba a tsana le bona school so ke re ba ngkhopela gore ke ma matric ba nyaka o ya sekolong bana le di assessment ba tsentse ba dire today so ka ba kala le shoka la botswadi ka kushore a ona re nka tsia 2 ka tlogala 2 it's only fair gore ba tsheka moka but ai akitse ke phosho.
Amapholisa wendlela eGauteng athi azokuraga nokuzibekela ihlelo libukhali inthuthi zabafundi uqinisekisa ukuthi zilandela umthetho ngokupheleleko.
We know that we have closed the festive period, but beyond that, we have got back to school campaign. We are here for learner transport enforcement operation. Basically what we do, we stop public transport operators such as buses and minibuses, specifically ferrying learners.
Nakusesenjalo kuhlolwe nenkolweni eziseduze ezaziwa ukuthi zinemraro.
We are getting into the classes just to check whether these learners are not having some sharp objects with them which they are not supposed to carry.
Kubotshwe imbhesi ezilikhomba bezikhamba ngaphandle kwamaphepha afaneleko kanti ibhesi ngayinye ihlawuliswe R5,000 zamaranda. Amapholisa wendlela athi amajima la azokuraga umnyaka wonke.
I-Democratic Alliance eGauteng ikhombele umnyango wezefundo eGauteng bona khe uyilise le ndaba yokuthatha abantwana ubafake enkolweni ezikude nemakhabo. Ihlangano le beyibambe umtshagalo ema-ofisini wezefundo weTshwane West District.
Umtshakalo lo uza njengombana umnyango wezefundo uqalene nobudisi bokutholela abantwana abangakabi ukufumana inkhala zokufunda. Ihlangano ye-Democratic Alliance ithi umnyango lo usaraga nokunikela abafundi beSoshanguve inkhala zokufunda enkolweni ezikude nemakhabo nokubabeka engozini.
Our parents' children are not being placed at schools close to where they live. So we're finding that parents have to take their kids 10 to 15 k's away to other schools. And there are schools in the direct area of the homes.
Ababelethi balila ngokuthi kade bafaka imbawo zenkhala zokufunda kodwana akhange umnyango lo ubaphendule.
Challenges tsaka gore ke na le bana ba ithu ever since ke ba applied last year before closing date ya July. So lo gona no akso ke response from kudikolong tse ke di applied.
Apply makuvulwa. And but till today it's not clear ukuthi abantwana bami kwenzekala ngabo, and I've been following up. I even wrote to the MEC.
Nakusenjalo umnyango wezefundo esifundeni esuphaye insolo ezivezwe i-Democratic Alliance ngelithi ababelethi ngibo abangamkeli inkolo abanikelwa zona mnyango lo.
We've placed everyone in that area. Tshwane West, we've placed children at an alternative school, that is railway, and many parents don't want that school because it's mobile units. But we are pressured, don't have enough schools in the area, and we've been saying alternative schools are assisting us to alleviate the pressure.
Usaraga umtlhago wokusiza boke abantwana abangakafumani inkhala zokufunda eGauteng.
ISouth Africa izilungiselela ukuthoma ukufunda emazikweni wefundo ephakemeko kelomnyaka wokufunda ka-2026 kanti icala amakholeji womgunyathi nalawo anikela imfundo ezingakagunyazwa. Umbikindaba we-SABC uKamfat Masombuka usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
UNozipho Zungu wemhononweni eMpumalanga usicocela indaba yakhe bona ikholeji yamgala kanjani imalakhe.
17 bengifuna isikolo se-paramedic and then ngathola isikolo esise-Rode Plaat. So I went there ngayo-inquire, they gave me the forms and then bangitshela ukuthi isikolo i-12,000 njengoba kuyi-12,000 kumele ngibhadale 6,000 upfront.
Khangise Rosebank College ecampusini eBramfontein eJohannesburg uTumi Nkosi ukhulume nathi ngalokho abafundi kufanele bakwenze ngaphambi kokuzihlolisa emazikweni wefundo ephakemeko.
You need to first check that the institution is accredited and that the qualification that you want to study with them is also accredited under their name.
Kwathi nakufika isikhathi sokuthoma ukufunda ecollege leya akhange isatholakala. uZungu wathatha isiqundo sokuya emakhweni akhona.
mangifika lapha ngathola ukuthi ama-office abavaliwe akunamuntu lapha. So mangibuza ukuthi kwenzakala nkosi ngabobhuti engabathola bakhatha utshani, but labantu bathuthile lapha.
Lapho-ke lapho uzungabona khona ukuthi bamgalajile wadlulela phambili wayokufuna isizo nalapho akhange akholwa kuzwako.
I went to the nearest police station ngafika ngabatshela isitory sami ukuthi ngine problem nesikolo. Bathathe imali yami engango-6,000 ngabakhombisa namafomu ngabakhombisa ne-proof of payment. So what they said to me ukuthi laba bantu laba akusingimi ngedwa okhalayo ukuthi babhadela imali and then labantu futhi bangababizi ukuthi baze esikoleni. So abangivulisanga icase mamene bangitshela lokho ukuthi angisingimi ngedwa.
Ingahana abantu abatsha bayahlola ntanzi ukuthi icollege ihlolisiwe begodwa nemfundo abayozenza lapho zigunyaziwe na.
Igadango lokuthoma abafundi bangalithatha ukubana bafonele iziko eliphezulu lezefundo ukuqinisekisa bonyana isikolo abafunda kiso si-registered.
Akubuhlungu bonyana ufunde sonke isikhathi ekuphelele emaphethelweni kokufunda kwakho ufunyane bonyana certificate ozifunyanako azizokwenzela lutho.
Isikhulu esiphetheko eShare Skills College eseKwaGafontein eMpumalanga uPromise Masombuka uyelelisa abantu abatsha abafuna indawo emakholeji.
Into ebalulekileyo ukuthi umfundi acontact i-agriseater a-check ama-subject nama-module isikolo leso esiwa-offerako so that abone ukuthi lawo ma-unit standard afane a-accredited.
Indaba le ngokupheleleko izokuraga kusasa ehlelweni asikhulume la ku-SABC 1 ngo-9:30 ntambama. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka ngikubikela ngiseMelville eJohannesburg.
Asicale umbono wakho mbukeli ngale ndaba ephelako nakuyalandela.
Baphilile bakhokhile bekhokhela into engekho kombumbayo uqhiqhobo beyikole bedla imali zabantu.
Abantu aba-apply kusesenesikhathi bazipha isikhathi sokusearcha nokuphenya konke abakufunako baze bathole iqiniso lonke.
Ngabocaphela kakhulu bafundi nabaya lapho kulama-colleges banakekele bawabuke kahle.
I-college for uyakiyo ifunisise ugugule uyisearche ukuthi isemthethweni na ngoba uzobuya uthi uthatha isitifiketi sabo uhambe uyokubereka mhlazana uneminyaka ukuthi nebasearcha la certificate ukuthi asisisemthethweni.
Umuntu before azokusuka abhadela khipha nemali zesikole akayenza ilandelela.
Kunzima kakhulu ukukhona abantu abasashawa into eyodwa ekubeni abanikade babexwayiswa ngoPripCOA izikole lezi engarejistiwe ngokusemthethweni.
Ndicinga uba lixanduva lesebe lezemfundo ukuqinisekisa ukuba iikholeji zisebenza ngokusemthethweni. Xa kuthule zona soba sathini ke ngokuthini.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela kombono wombukeli. Nasibuya ento.
We will go to ROPS, they say come tomorrow. The problem, it will be the transport, the money. Where are you going to get money to go to ROPS every day? So bringing the doctor here, it will be easier.
Imtholapilo yeMpumalanga esendaweni ezisemakhaya seyizokuba nabodokotela ukubalekela yokuthi abantu bathunyelwe embhedlela. Sokwamukela mbukeli nawuqeda ungena indaba zisekhona nazikuphundileko uyazithola ku-YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X naku-Facebook. Khwela sikhambe. Usomkhandlu wezefundo eMpumalanga Kapa ufundile kade ukholelwa ekutheni umuntu owafika wadumuza wabulala abotitshala abathathu esikolweni iNtabankulu Primary School kwakufuze angaphiwa ibheli kwekuthomeni. Umuntu loyo ekuthiwa khabe alisekela likaprincipal wadumuza abotitshala wababulalela ngaphakathi kwesikolo. Kwenzeka konke lokho ngaphandle ngebheli ngecala ekuthiwa batsho ngelokukhwatshalaza abantwana besikolo. Umbiki indaba wethu ufundisa Mhlekude bekasesikolweni esehlelwe ngileba ngamathluwa.
Singaphakathi kwisikolo saseNtabankulu, isikolo samabanga phansi apha eNtabankulu, apho umphathiso wesebe lezemfundo umnumzana uFundile Gade andwendwele isikolo emva kwesiyeleko esithe sehla kwesi sikolo apho owayesakuba ngusekela nqununu kwesi sikolo ethe wahlasela wabulala otitshala abathathu phambi kwabafundi. Kodwa ke ngoku sinaye usihlalo we-SGB apha esikolweni umnumzana Sandise Funza ozawuthi asixelele ngoyena yona nto yenzekileyo. Mnumzana uFunza, ubusithi owena nobangela wokuba lo wayesakuba yinqununu adubule abulala abatishara yintoni?
Into ayenzile uye wapointa omisa abathile bebafuna, abanye ke akabatholanga ngoba kaloku ngelixesha angena phayana kule ndawo bebekuyo ngexesha lebreak bekuthengiswa ke izitya abantu bebezithengisa, wangena wadubula omisa ababini ngexesha elinye esuka kwiofisi kaprincipal apho afumene omisi bebezawubhatala abantu besikolo.
Mnumzana uFunza uthi otishara aba abadubuleyo bebengamangqina kweli tyala.
Bebengamangqina kweli tyala lakhe. Waphuma ke omnye umisi abuye wamdubula engebingelongqina. Umbone xa ebebuya ezowugqibezela abanye apha ngaphakathi, wamdubula yena selebaleka phaya ungutishala wesithathu.
Sizawuphinde sithethe ke nomphathiso wesebe ekuhambeni kwexesha umnumzana uFundile Gade njengokuba naye ekhona apha ngaphakathi. Masibuyisele intambo kwigumbi lendaba.
Umnyango wezempilo eMpumalanga uthi uthuthukisa isizo lezempilo endaweni ezisemakhaya. Umnyango lo ucatshe ngokupheleleyo kwabodokotela abama-25 abayokusebenza emtholapilo esebenza ama-awa ama-24. Umnyango lo uthemba bona lokhu kuzokuphungula isibalo senkulu ezithunyelwa embhedlela.
Umtholapilo eMatsulu usiza amakhulukhulu abantu ngelanga elokishini elikhula kweli. Inguli kuvamile bona zithunyele embhedlela ezikude okwabetha ngenkhwanyeni.
Maybe we will go to ROPS, they say come tomorrow. The problem, it will be the transport, the money. Where are you going to get money to go to ROPS every day? So bringing the doctor here, it will be easier, better for us.
The challenge is we don't have a lot of nurses here, shortages of nurses. Also the resources, some days you come in here and there's a shortage of pills.
Ukuphungulela abantu umsebenzi ukukhamba ibanga elide ukuyokufuna isizo lezempilo, umnyango lo uyokuqatsha abodokotela abama-25 abayokusebenza emtholapilo esendaweni zemakhaya ama-iri ama-24 ngelanga. Umnyango uthemba bona lokhu kuzokusiza zempilo endaweni ezi kuphungula ukuthunyelwa kwabantu embhedlela, imijeje nokurhatshwa kwamagulo.
We can be able to practice what we call preventative medicine before, in fact, the disease take its course. Because now when we are in a hospital, we're dealing with complications. But if you are in the community, you are able to speak to the community, especially if you are from around, and also the follow-up, because PHC is more of family medicine.
They were trained in the main on primary healthcare. So we believe that that would be very good investment when you take them back to the clinic, where we are saying in preparation for the National Health Insurance, we must make sure that preventative measures and treatment at the level of a primary healthcare, that's what we're strengthening.
Abodokotela aba bayokusebenza amalanga waphakathi kweveke.
Ngezimali, iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu.
Siyalotshisa ekhaya ngomvulo akhe sicalele ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu ligubze sengamafu ngapha ngetshingilanga yenarha yeSouth Africa. Kuthoma lapha ke amathuba wezulu nge-30% ngaleke ngeNorthern Cape, ukurabhula njalo udlule lapha eFreystata, Chinge Gauteng, eMpumalanga nakezinye ke indawo zangale ngeLimpopo. Kanti ke sibona ke namhlanje entambama amathuba nge-60% esifundeni sangaleke ngeMpumalanga Kapa. Siyokucalela ukuthi ngakusasa khona kukhambe kabunjani lapha ke ikungo ibonako esifundeni sangaleke ngeKZN eMpumalanga ukuchinga lapha endaweni zangeLimpopo, Tshejani Niyelele ekseni nanitshayelako njengoba nasibona lapha ikungu inengi kangakana amathuba nge-60% asesekhona kilezi indawo zangale ngePumalanga Kapa kanike ngale ngeBloemfontein 30% kezinye ke indawo zangapha ngeFreystata nge-60% nangale ke eDurban siyalibona izulu nge-60% kanike ke sicalele ukuthi ngisiphi isilemukiso esisitholileko sibona lapha umoya osuke eDurban urabhula njalo uchinge kezinye indawo zangale ke ngePumalanga Kapa mijijo iduma kumbi lapho ubona khona umbala usarulana kuthindeka lapha isifunda sangale ke ngeFreystata nakusasa ke kusesenjalo kanike lapha ikhonakala yomlilo wemango endaweni zangale ngeNorthern Cape siyakusuduka kwazi ukubona ukuthi anjani amazinga okuchisa sithoma lapha ke esifundeni sangapha ngeGauteng siyachisa endaweni ezinengi bo 32 33 Pitori neBroncosprate Johannesburg sibona nge32 degrees Celsius lapha ke esifundeni sangeLimpopo sibona naso ke siyachisa endaweni ezinengi kukulapha ePhulukwane sibona khona lifuthumele nge29 Phalaburwa 32 neThohoyandou neMusina neliphalale kanti Thabazimbi nge33 sesifundeni sempumalanga lapho sibona khona iMiddelburg emalahleni kuyachisa bomashishing nokho kufuthumele neGarlina bomhlanga kufuthumele kuyachisa kuboKwaGafontein Machirini njalo njalo nangale ngeveza ubuhle iKwaZulu Natal ke yona ke yachisa kiso sonke isifunda khulukhulu lapha eMnambithi nge36 iDurban nge31 sePort Shepstone lapho kufuthumele khona ke nge29 sePumalanga Kapa ke lapha ke nakho kufuthumele lapha Makhanda East London nalapha eqonqe kezinye indawo sibona liyachisa ngabo 33 35 iTshingalanga Kapa ifuthumele eCape Town nge27 Mossel Bay nge26 iBafodosto ke yachisa nge34 nakezinye indawo iNorthern Cape ibonakala ichisa endaweni ezinenge khulukhulu eUppington nge40 degrees Celsius chejani ke kulezo ndawo sibonile lapha nesilemukiso ngaleke ngeFreystata nakhona liyachisa endaweni ezinenge Bloemfontein 37 Bothaville 36 lapha ke Sasolburg nge33 kokugcina siyocala isifunda sangale ngeNorth West sibonakala naso sichisa endaweni ezinengi Mahikeng nge34 sibona lapha ke iRustenburg nakhona i34 kanti ke asibonane ngesikhathi esilandelako Dido
Kusasa kuzabe kungezesiswati kesimbi ekhomba namhlanje kezesizulu. Ngikho bongile.